Welcome to my YouTube channel Code with Percy. Today we are going to do AWS Cloud Practitioner exam. If you do these questions you might get 100%. Don't forget to like, subscribe and comment. We can start with question. Question 1. Answer is trade capital expense for variable expense and stop guessing about capacity. The 6 advantages of cloud are: 1. Trade capital expense for variable expense. 2. Benefit from massive economies of scale. 3. Stop guessing about capacity. 4. Increase speed and agility. 5. Stop spending money running and maintaining data centers. 6. Go global in minutes. You do not gain greater control of the infrastructure layer as AWS largely control this, and though AWS is compliant with lots of security compliance programs, not all programs in all local countries will be included. Question 2. Question 2. Answer is increase speed and agility and stop guessing about capacity. Increase speed and agility. In a cloud computing environment, new IT resources are only a click away, which means that you reduce the time to make those resources available to your developers from weeks to just minutes. This results in a dramatic increase in agility for the organization, since the cost and time it takes to experiment and develop is significantly lower. Stop guessing about capacity. Eliminate guessing on your infrastructure capacity needs. When you make a capacity decision prior to deploying an application, you often end up either sitting on expensive idle resources or dealing with limited capacity. With cloud computing, these problems go away. You can access as much or as little capacity as you need, and scale up and down as required with only a few minutes' notice. Question 3. Question 3. Answer is you don't need to guess your capacity needs. All of these statements are true. However, the question is specifically asking how AWS can assist with capacity requirements. i.e., how does AWS enable organizations to ensure they don't over or under provision their resources? The ability to scale on demand is the key advantage that can help them here, as they can deploy what they know they need today and scale it as they need to tomorrow. Question 4. Question 4. Answer is Infrastructure as a Service, IaaS. With IaaS, the IT department have the most flexibility and management control over resources, as only the infrastructure layer is provided by the cloud provider. Everything else is managed by the end customer. This means more control and more responsibility for management. With PaaS and SaaS, the cloud provider manages up to a higher level in the stack. This means that as an organization using the service, you have less control and less responsibility. On-premises cloud is a cloud deployment model, not a cloud computing model. Other cloud deployment models are private, public, and hybrid. Question 5. Question 5. Answer is reduce the need to manage infrastructure and increase efficiencies through automation. With the AWS cloud, you can increase efficiency through the use of automation and reduce the need to manage infrastructure, allowing you to concentrate on managing applications instead. Question 6. Question 6. Answer is benefit from massive economies of scale and increased speed and agility. The 6 advantages of cloud computing are: trade capital expense for variable expense, benefit from massive economies of scale, stop guessing about capacity, increase speed and agility, stop spending money running and maintaining data centers. Go global in minutes. Question 7. Question 7. Answer is paying only for what you use. With AWS you only pay for what you use. However, you cannot choose your own hardware, infrastructure, and the payment model is operational, OPEX, not capital, CAPEX. Question 8. Question 8. Answer is reduced operational overhead. Fully managed services reduce your operational overhead as AWS manage not just the infrastructure layer but the service layers above it. Examples are Amazon Aurora and Amazon Elasticache where the database is managed for you. Question 9. Question 9. Answer is by automatically scaling resources based on demand. Elasticity refers to the automatic scaling of resources based on demand. The benefit is that you provision only the necessary resources at a given time, optimizing cost, and don't have to worry about absorbing spikes in demand. Question 10. Question 10. Answer is public. The public cloud is offered under a purely pay-as-you-go model, unless you choose to reserve, and allows companies to completely avoid CAPEX costs. The public cloud is also highly elastic, so companies can grow and shrink the applications as demand changes. Private and on-premise clouds are essentially the same, though both could be managed by a third party and even could be delivered under an OPEX model by some vendors. However, they are typically more CAPEX heavy and the elasticity is limited. A hybrid model combines public and private, and this company wants to go all in on a single mode.